Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda CRV wheel bearing. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and supported on jack stands. Then, remove the wheel and carefully detach the brake caliper, hanging it securely to avoid stressing the brake line. Next, take off the brake rotor and the caliper mounting bracket. This clears the way for accessing the hub and axle components, preparing for the bearing replacement process. Now, let's move on to the hub and axle disassembly. Begin by removing the cotter pin and then the large axle nut. You might need a breaker bar for this. Next, use a hub puller or a slide hammer to separate the hub from the steering knuckle. Be gentle to avoid damaging other components. If your CRV has an ABS sensor, carefully detach it from the knuckle before proceeding, as it can be fragile. With the hub removed, it's time to tackle the bearing itself. You'll need a specialized wheel bearing press kit or a hydraulic press to safely remove the old bearing from the steering knuckle. Ensure the knuckle bore is perfectly clean and free of debris before installing the new bearing. Carefully press the new bearing into the knuckle, making sure it goes in straight and seats fully. This step is crucial for proper function. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Reinstall the hub, ensuring the axle splines align correctly. Tighten the axle nut and insert a new cotter pin. Reattach the brake caliper mounting bracket, rotor, and caliper. Torque all fasteners to the manufacturer's specified values for safety. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to restore proper brake pressure. Take a test drive to ensure everything feels right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.